I'm about to share a recipe for this summer that is low carb, packed with good cholesterol, and a favorite for many that love spicy Mexican seafood. Let's get to it. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Healthy Living with Luis, where we help you reach your personal health goals and achieve a healthier lifestyle. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up. Alright, aguachile is the name of today's dish. This recipe is very popular in Mexico, especially in the summertime, given its fresh ingredients and method of cooking. Depending on the region of Mexico, the ingredients might slightly change. But the one I'm about to share with you today is the most popular in the entire West Coast. Distinguished amongst the spicy food lovers, aguachile is the all-time favorite. It's loaded with vitamin C and packed with healthy HDL cholesterol foods like avocado and shrimp. Eating shrimp with this method of preparation may actually help lower your levels of triglycerides and bad LDL cholesterol. Alright, so let's get started with the ingredients. We're going to need half a pound to a pound of shrimp. We're going to use a quarter of a red onion, 1 cucumber, 8 to 10 limes, cilantro, 2 to 3 serrano peppers, 1 big garlic clove, salt and pepper. Alright, so let's get started with the shrimp. So when we're peeling our shrimp, we want to make sure we leave the tail on. We can squeeze in like this, and there we have it. Okay, so next we are going to slice some red onion, and we could do this with some thin slices. This is going to give our dish an amazing flavor and lift up with some color. Look at that. I'll just spread it around like that. There we go. Next we are adding some cucumber. Some people prefer the cucumber diced. I like to keep it round. This will completely be up to you. Go ahead and pick that up and spread it along with the onion. Now we are going to have our blender ready and start squeezing in all the natural lime juice. Don't try to substitute it for the one you'll find in a bottle in the grocery stores. It won't taste the same. We will need about this much lime juice. Once we have the right amount of lime juice, we're going to go ahead and dump in our garlic clove in there. Okay, followed by some salt. This really depends on your own personal taste. Start about that much. And pepper, of course. Again, depends on how you like it. Okay, and right after that, I'm going to get our peppers here. Let's start with 2, spicy enough. And some cilantro, of course. I like to leave the stems. They're packed with flavor, so let's go ahead and do that. Before we start blending, and this is just personal preference, I like to mix it up like this. The onions with the cucumber and the shrimp all together. And once that's done, we're going to go ahead and start blending, and it should look something like this. Alright, now this part is important. After we spread evenly our mix, we have to let it sit for a couple of minutes in order to let the lime cook the shrimp with its acidity. So we go ahead and spread this equally around, just like so. Okay. And after that, we're going to go ahead and make sure we give it a good mix. Alright. Then after we finish mixing like this, we're going to go ahead and just let it sit for 10 minutes. Give it at least 10 minutes tops. We should be ready to go. And of course, we want to take the dish to the next level, so I really love avocado, and avocado on this dish just has a perfect balance. Since it's spicy, avocado has that creaminess that really balances things out. You could place it here as, as I'm doing, with a sense of decoration, but this is quite the touch to add to this aguachile, so go ahead and be as generous as you like with your avocado. We will have the end product that looks something like this. And there you have it, one of the most popular Mexican seafood dishes for this summer. It is most common to eat with a traditional tostada, I'm sure you could find those at any market. So enjoy. If you're new here, make sure to click that subscribe button. Don't forget to leave a comment below and give this video a thumbs up.